On this page, we're looking at the overall value of the estate and whether the decedent had any debts. At the top of the page, you'll see the total property value and the combined total that includes both probate property and any non-probate transfers. These numbers are automatically calculated based on the information you've already entered. At this stage, they are estimates, and that's perfectly fine. Next, you'll be asked whether the decedent had any debts. When we say debts, we're referring to things like credit cards, personal loans, medical bills, unpaid utilities, or other obligations that existed at the time of death. You do not need to know the exact balances yet, and you do not need to have documentation in front of you to answer the question. If you're aware of any debts at all, even if you don't know the amounts, select Yes. On the next page, you'll have an opportunity to list the debts and provide estimates. If you are reasonably confident that the decedent did not have any debts, you can select No. This question is not a trap, and it's not asking you to be perfect. The court expects good faith disclosure based on what you know right now. Additional details come next. Once you've answered the question about debts, click Next to continue.
If you'd like a Nevada attorney to review your documents or your situation, you can schedule a consultation for $250. Using this form and watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship. This content is educational only.